Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and this time we're going to take a look at AirView. So I'm going to show you how to turn it on, and then we're going to take a look at how it works. Okay, so first of all, just take out the S Pen, and once you take it out, you'll notice the little pen here on the right hand side. So this is the shortcut to the Air commands and all its settings and features. So select it and then select the little settings gear icon there, and in here you will see AirView. So go ahead and turn it on if it's off, and by default when you turn it on it will apply previews and pointer. However, that can be changed. Okay, so in here it just explains how it works. So AirView previews let you peek into links, gallery albums and calendar events by hovering your S Pen over them. You can also hover over the edge of the screen to scroll. The AirView pointer shows you exactly where your S Pen's hovering. So like I says, by default once you turn it on, this option will be applied, previews and pointer. And here you get a demo of how it works. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so just going to go into settings and we're going to check out the scrolling. So if you hover over here, as you can see, it's brought me down to the bottom of the page. Let's try that again. Right, so if you hover over the display here, you'll notice a little arrow. And if you hover over here at the top, you'll notice the arrow and it brings you right back to the top of the screen there. I'm not actually touching the screen, guys. I'm just hovering over it. And as you can see, the arrow is right there. And if I hover over the bottom here, it scrolls down. Hover over the top, scrolls right back to the top. Okay, so you can also preview gallery pictures just by hovering. So if I hover over the picture here, as you can see, I can get a preview of my gallery pictures without actually having to select them. And it's the same with emails. So if I go into my Gmail here, I can just hover over, and as you can see, can have a quick read of what the email says. And it's the same with calendar events. So let's find the calendar. And let's hover over my events. So this one says going to the cinema all day, doctor appointments, going to the beach. So yeah, you get the idea of how it works. And if you want to turn this off at any point, just go back into the settings, AirView, and turn it off. And I'm going to show you one last thing. You can switch it from previews and pointer to pointer only. So when you change it to pointer only, you will only have the pointer there. However, you won't be able to preview anything now. As you can see, when I hover over my pictures, I cannot preview. Or you can switch it to just previews only, and that will disable the pointer. So this is the point of a little round thing there. However, when I switch it to previews only, as you can see now, there's no pointer. However, I can preview my gallery again, and also my calendar events and emails. So yeah, that's just my video showing you how to turn on the air view on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and a demonstration as to how it works. Anyway, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Let me know if it's something that you use. Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.